everybody, the time has come for the swim bait box. Right, I took the number off so you can't cheat and see what's in it, or you can do your own. We'll crack this baby open. Let's see what we got. I've been holding it for about 2 weeks now. Put it out of sight, out of mind, so I wouldn't open it. We don't have another box. Cool looking box. Look. All right, here we go. Get your measuring board right here. Okay. Ooh, I definitely could use these. A fluke or paddle tail, something like that. That's nice. It's 1/8 ounce. It's a pretty good weight to it. All right, let's see what kind of sticker we got. Ooh, that's nice. I'm gonna put this up here with my other ones. Set that right there. Then you got your card with the QR code, and it kind of gives you like an explanation of what everything is inside of it. So we'll put that there because I've seen this one first. Pro Design, Pro Grip, the Bass Mafia. Look at that one. That's kind of nice. Let's see what it is. I don't know what that is. Bass Mafia, I know that. Hooks on the top. You can drag it, a little weight on the bottom right here. Your eye is in this little tiny hole right here. So that's awesome. Subtle tail. Ducket fishing. It's a 3-inch white pearl 6-pack. You can pair them up together. Hook's a little big, but it'll work. Ooh, look at that one. Hercules swim bait from Seaman. I gotta open this one. This is a Gold Rush color. So, swim it along. You can pop it into your rod, fish it along like that. And these are G-Rat baits. This is the weedless 5-inch. These mullet. Smoke shad. Smoke shad. I'm going to pop these open and see how they're weedless. Hook is inside. So, no hook. Give me something else you could probably pair up with these. So we got two things. That feels good. It's like a little mullet. Protruding eyeballs. A little glitter. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah. A little bit of yellow glitter in there. But it's got your place right in there for your hook. So you can make it weedless. You come in through this section, come in through the body, bend it, and bring your hook point up through here so the fish grab it and they squeeze down on it. And you set that hook, grabs them up. It's good to go. But yeah, that's it. I pull this thing out. I'll show this. This one. A little fluffy. But yeah. Gold head. Makes a little bit of noise. Got a little rattle in there from popping it and you're swimming it through, but yeah, that's nice. It's pretty worth it. Get a couple swim baits out of it. But yeah, but I had a couple of boxes coming in the mail. We'll try them out. It's kind of a smaller company, but we'll see what happens when they come in. But yeah, like and subscribe.